đó. Cái làm sữa heo á. Welcome back. Today we're taking you on a trip to Hanoi and Ta Xua. So stay tuned. We're gonna take you to the airport first, fly to Hanoi, and then we're gonna take a bus to Ta Xua. But first, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. We appreciate you. Peace. We're in here now in the airport, Saigon airport, getting ready to get on the plane. Gotta have a couple little refreshments before we go. I mean, go ahead and get it to it. It's about almost 11 a.m. We should be landing around 1:30.
We're gonna go to the airplane, then we're gonna get the plane and fly to.
Get on the bus to go to the plane, to go to Hanoi, to go to Ta Xua. We're about to get on the bus. Please don't put up a fuss. We're on here on the plane.
Welcome to Hanoi.
Just landed in Hanoi. Just got off the plane. Now it's time to go insane. Coming to you here live from the streets of Hanoi. Welcome to Hanoi. It looks like Saigon, just slight differences, just very slight nuance. Older architecture. This building, for example, and the mix of new buildings. We made it to the room. Next, we're gonna catch a bus this evening to Ta Xua, the city in the clouds. Spend some time here in Hanoi to go around the lake, Hoang Kim Lake. We're also gonna check out a beef place and a cafe, so stay tuned. What's going on over here? Coming to you here live from the tourist bus. If you ever want to look like and feel like a tourist in Ho Chi Minh or in Hanoi, get on one of these tourist buses where you will be guaranteed to be known that you're a tourist. library, but they call this the old porterhouse. There's 2 types of meat in there.
Cái làm sữa heo á.
To you live from the bus stop on the way to Ta Xua. And nice little bus, plenty of space, enough for 2 people even.